arithmetic sequence, let's begin. A sequence of numbers such that the difference d between two consecutive terms is a constant. What it means? A sequence of numbers means a1, a1 plus d, a1 plus 2d, a1 plus 3d, where d is the common difference. Now let me explain. Where a1 is the first term of the sequence and d is the common difference. We can say that a1 equals to a1 plus 0d. Okay, 0d means a1 plus 1 minus 1d. Same. Next, a1 plus d, a2 equals to a1 plus d equals to a1 plus 2 minus 1d. We can say that. Next, a3, a1 plus 2d means a1 plus 2d equals to a1 plus 3 minus 1d. Now, number 4, a4 equals to a1 plus 3d equals to a1 plus 4 minus 1d. You can say that a5 equals to a1 plus 4d equals to a1 plus 5 minus 1d, 6 minus 1d, 7 minus 1d, so on, so on, so on. So what we conclude that a1, a2, a3, a4 up to an equals to a1 plus 2d, a1 plus a1 plus n minus 1d. n minus 1d means 2 minus 1, 5 minus 1, up to so on. We don't know what will be the end. You can say that n minus 1d, where an is the nth term or general term of the arithmetic sequence. This is how we create the formula of nth term or arithmetic sequence is an equals to a1 plus n minus 1d. You got it? We will further explain by an example. Okay, example. Find the nth or general term of an arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, so on, so on. As you know, nth term a1 equals to starting point, first term, first sequence, that is 2. Okay. Now what is d? D means difference. As you can see, what is the common difference here? 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 5, 3. 11 minus 8, 3. So common difference is 5 minus 2 equal to 3. You got it? Now we know that nth term, or you can say general term, an equals to a1 plus n minus 1d. So by putting its values, an equals to a1 here, but a1 stands for first sequence, first term. What is it? 2 plus n minus 1. We don't have n here, so n will remain same. N minus 1, d stands for d. As you can see, difference, common difference is 3. That is constant, that is fixed, 3. So multiply it. 2 plus 3n minus 3. Now what? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3n, or you can say that an equals to 3n minus 1. Got it? Thus general term of arithmetic sequence is 3n minus 1. Arithmetic sequence example: which term of an arithmetic sequence 3, 8, 13, so on 83. As you know, a1 equals to 3. a1 means first term of sequence. D means difference. 8, we have next term is 8. So 8 minus 3, you got difference d, and an equals to 83. You got it? Now by putting these values in the formulas, as you know, an equals to a1 plus n minus 1d. An here 83. I put 83 here. Now a1 is 3 plus n minus 1, 5, d equals to 5. Okay, now solve it. It's very simple. 83 equals to 3 plus 5n minus 5 on the 5. Now in this case we are multiplying 5 with n minus 1, so 5n minus 5. Okay, now solve it. 83 will remain same, equals to 3 minus 5 plus minus 5 minus 3 minus 2. As b value as b value sign is minus, so we write here minus 2. 5 minus 3 minus 2 plus 5n. Now I solve it. I put this minus 2 after equals to, it become plus 2. 83 plus 2, 85. 5n will remain same. Okay, as you know, 5 and are multiplying, so 5 we divide 5 after equals to, it become divided by 5. So it's like that, n equals to 85 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, for 7 35, so n equals to 17. So hence 83 is the 17th term of arithmetic sequence 3, 8, 13. I hope it's clear. Now they have given us a question, find the arithmetic sequence where an equals to 2n minus 7. Given that an equals to 2n minus 7, put n equals to 1, a1 equals to 2, we put where n is 1 minus 7. You got it? Now a1 equals to 2 ones are 2 minus 7, a1 equals to minus 5. Understood? Number 2, put n equals to 2. Now put 2 where n is, a2 equals to 2 minus 7. So 2 2s are 4 minus 7 and a2 equals to minus 3. You got it? Right there. Next, put n equals to 3. A3 equals to 2 into 3 minus 7. 2 3 are 6 minus 7 minus 1. So what is the sequence? As you can see, here the sequence is minus 5, minus 3, minus 1 answer. I hope it's clear.